How to log into Cadence Bank online banking. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser. Navigate to the search engine by entering google.com in the address bar. In the search bar, type Cadence Bank and press Enter. From the search results, locate and click on the official website of Cadence Bank. On the home page, find and click on the Login option, typically located in the upper right corner. On the Login page, enter your user ID in the designated field. Enter your password in the appropriate field. If you've forgotten your credentials, click on Forgot Password to reset your password. Click on Forgot User ID to recover your username. If you are a new user, click on Enroll Now to register for online banking. To report suspicious activity or for additional support, click on the Fraud and Security Center. Once all fields are correctly filled in, click on Login to securely access your Cadence Bank online banking account.